Hello everyone, myself Sriram. I am going to bring you to the presentation of environmental engineering and introduction to environmental engineering. Generally, what is an environmental engineering? The application of science and engineering knowledge and concepts to care and restore our natural resources and to store our natural environment and to solve the environmental problems. How does it affects generally? It affects everything and everyone like plants, insects, animals, humans, ecosystem in our planet too. The basic environmental issues are it reduces the air quality, land quality, and water quality. How does it affect the air quality? It affects air quality due to industries and vehicles releasing smoke, etc. What is air quality in such a problem? Poor air quality leads to smog, respiratory and other illnesses, and acid rain and global warming. Where does the pollutants generally come from? The pollutants generally come from factories, smog, vehicle emitted pollutions, and the smog come from the vehicles. Air quality, air quality is nothing but air pollutant, an unknown substance that in which air that can cause harm to humans and environment. The poisonous gases like nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide, which reduces the air quality and it leads to several diseases. Greenhouse gases and global warming. What is global warming? Increase in the average air temperature on the earth. Greenhouse effect, the heat that comes from sun trapped inside the gases of atmosphere heats up the air. More carbon dioxide and being released into the atmosphere gets trapped due to more heat. Due to that, the glaciers are being depleted. Many animals are losing its nature and its environment. It leads to global warming, leads to acid rain, and it leads to very difficult effects. How does it reduce the air pollutants? Like we can reduce the air pollutants by using carpool, hybrid cars, EVP, government regulation, new geological carbon suggestion, alternative fuels we can use by using bike or using public transportation. We can use cycles rather than using petrol or something like that. Second one is land quality. Land pollution, destruction of earth's surface caused by human activities in the misuse of natural resources. Natural resources means land or raw materials that are exist naturally in the environment undisturbed by humans. There are two main things in that: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means a natural source that can be replaced by natural process is called renewable resources. Second one is non-renewable resources. A natural resource that cannot be produced or regrown or reused are called non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, for example, is sunlight is a renewable resources. Non-renewable resources like coal, petrol, etc. We can see renewable resources like solar energy. Non-renewable resources like coal, petrol, etc. Land pollution can be caused due to acid rain damage. It leads, we can see from the above picture, excess use of pesticides and herbicides in crops leads to land pollution. Due to for getting more yield, we are using more excess types of fertilizers. Due to that, it leads to land pollution, and we can throwing unuseless and usage of more plastics, which leads to land pollution also. And how we can reduce the land pollution means land pollution can be reduced by using recycled products. We should use recycle and reduce process. We should use organic products only by encouraging organic farming and use less plastic bags. We can use it. Next one is in quality of water can be reduced by water. The sustainable civilization depends upon continuous and supply of good water. Thus, water is a natural resource, should be conserved and effectively used. Sources, mainly the sources of water are like ponds, rivers, etc. We should use them in a very good way. The water can be used in a very good way. Thank you.